Hey Flyers, today I'm going to show you how to become a social media champion for an upcoming fundraising campaign at Lewis University. So here we have the campaign's homepage, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the initiatives that you can support. So you're going to choose the area that you would like to support, and then you're going to be directed to that area's homepage. As you scroll down, you're going to see a box that says Become a Champion. You're going to hit where it says Get Your Personal Share Link, and then you're going to be directed to why you want to champion this story. You're going to share a personal message to your friends and followers on why you want them to jump on board and support this initiative as well. Below, you're going to choose your personal fundraising goal, so you can either choose one of the default goals or you can set your own amount. And then after that, you're going to choose your donor goal. Once you hit continue, you're going to be directed to a page that has your personal share link. So this link you can directly copy and post it on social media. You can send it to contacts through your phone, or below you can directly connect your social media to this platform and share from here. Once you exit from here, you'll be able to see your champion dashboard. So here you'll be able to see the dollar amount you've raised, the number of donors that have supported your champion story, and then again you have that personal share link and that direct link to share on your social media platforms. Now if you hit set up your appeal, you can go back to where you entered that personal message to your friends and followers, and if you've already reached your fundraising goal, you can go back and change your fundraising goal to increase it, and the same thing with your donor goal. You would just hit save changes again and then exit out of this page. Also, you do not just have to champion one story. If you do choose to champion another area that you would like to support, you would just scroll down and see the other areas that you can support, hit champion that story, and then once again you would just fill out that message, the fundraising goal, and your donor goal, and it would be added right below the first area that you have championed, so you could see those results. We once again thank you for your interest in becoming a social media champion, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at alumni@lewisu.edu.